Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I may not get to see you as often as I like. I may not get to hold you in my arms all through the night, but deep in my heart, I truly know you are the one that I love and I can't let you go. So many reasons are there to love you: your quick smile, your sweet laugh, your innocence, and your kind heart makes me love you. Spending time with you is so precious, and I love every minute that we are together. You are the sun in my day, the wind in my sky, the waves in my ocean, and the beat in my heart. You are the first thought in the morning, my last thought before I fall asleep, and almost every thought in between. I need you like a heart needs a beat. A kiss is a lovely trick designed by nature to stop speech when words become superfluous. The best relationship is when you two can act like lovers and best friends. You have made me feel beautiful when I thought I was nothing. You make me happy in a way no one else can. When I miss you, I read our old conversation, smile like an adult, listen to songs that remind me of you, then I miss you more. You may hold my hand for a while, but you hold my heart forever. Take my hand, my love, and my soul, because they were meant for you. For you, see, each day I love you more, today more than yesterday and less than tomorrow. I want to see your smile and hear your laughter. I want to kiss away your hurts and hold you until you know, without a doubt, that this is for real. Every moment without you is a moment of time lost. If someone asked me to describe you in just 2 words, I'd say simply amazing. It always makes my day every time I see you. Life is a flower of which love is the honey. Thanks for watching my video.